Hello mga kababayan! Our topic for today is how you will determine that you're talking to a fake profile. So, alam nyo naman, maraming tao sa internet. Sadly, not everyone is real. Kung nagtataka kayo if someone you're chatting with is actually who they say they are, let's talk about some red flags to watch out for. Here are 6 signs na baka kausap mo is a fake profile or catfish. Watch carefully ha, baka you're already talking to one. Okay, so here's number 1. Walang photos or videos sa profile nila. Or kung meron man, super konti lang. Like come on, in this day and age, sino bang walang kahit isang selfie, 'di ba? If someone doesn't post any personal photos or videos, that's a big red flag. Baka hindi sila yon or they're hiding something. And here's the second sign. Ayaw mag-video call or lagi silang may excuse kung bakit hindi pwede. Mag-ingat ka kung puro reasons sila. Like, my camera's broken or I'm shy. Kasi, kung legit sila, they should be comfortable with a quick video chat. Hindi naman kailangan agad-agad. Pero if they always refuse, medyo something smells fishy na. And the third one, watch out if the profile pictures look too perfect. Like, mukhang model sa magazine. Super professional na ang lighting at ang angle. Baka they're just grabbing random photos from Google. Madalas, scammers use stolen pictures. So, kung feeling mo hindi natural ang photos, trust your gut. And the fourth one, eto, super common talaga. They claim na they're from an English-speaking country like the US or Australia. Pero yung English nila parang Google Translate lang. If someone says they're from US pero parang wrong grammar lagi or strange phrasing, baka hindi sila totoo. Be careful sa ganito kasi madalas to among catfishers. Okay, so red flag number 5. If too fast sila mag-I love you or ask for money, kung bago pa lang kayo magkakilala and out of nowhere, biglang nagpupur ng emotions or asking for help financially, medyo alarming yon. Catfishers often play on your emotions para makakuha ng pera, so don't fall for it. Last but not the least, nagkakaroon ka ng weird feelings about their time zone or stories. Like they claim to be in a certain country pero lagi kang kausap. So, that doesn't make sense, diba? Or yung kwento nila keeps changing. Trust your instincts here. If something doesn't add up, maybe it's because they're not being truthful. So, yun lang. Those are 6 signs that could help you spot a fake profile or catfish. Always be careful and protect yourself online. If someone seems good to be true, maybe they are. Stay safe mga kababayan. At syempre, don't forget to like, follow, and share para hindi lang ikaw ang maiwasang na catfish. Have a great day. Goodbye. See you in the next video.